Firstly, let's dive into the world of ransomware, a type of malware that has seen a dramatic rise in both prevalence and notoriety over the past few years. Ransomware works by encrypting the files on a victim's computer or network, effectively locking them out of their own data. The attackers then demand a ransom, typically in cryptocurrency, for the decryption key. High-profile cases such as WannaCry and Petya have demonstrated the substantial disruption and financial losses ransomware can cause. To combat ransomware, ensure your software and operating systems are up to date, never click on suspicious links or attachments, and regularly back up your data to an external drive or cloud storage. Spyware, in contrast, operates on stealth. It infiltrates devices to monitor user actions and collect personal information such as banking details, passwords, and sensitive correspondence, without the user's consent. This information can then be exploited for financial theft, identity theft, or sold on the dark web. Countermeasures include the use of anti-spyware tools, being cautious about the permissions granted to applications, and constantly educating oneself about the markers of a phishing attempt or suspicious activity. Trojans disguise themselves as legitimate software or are hidden within legitimate-appearing software. Once installed, they create backdoors for malicious users to exploit, allowing them to steal data, spy on the user, or gain control of the infected system. Trojans require the user to install them, so practicing safe browsing and downloading habits, such as downloading software only from official sources and keeping an eye out for abnormal system behavior, can offer significant protection. Worms, self-replicating malware, exploit network vulnerabilities to spread across systems, often without needing any user interaction. They can consume bandwidth, steal information, delete files, or install additional malicious software. Worms emphasize the importance of network security practices, including the use of firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and the prompt application of security patches and updates. Another severe threat comes from rootkits, which grant attackers full control over infected computers while remaining hidden from both users and traditional antivirus software. They can manipulate operating systems, install additional malicious software, or steal information.